Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your BNB from Kraken to Uphold. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. First things first, why would you want to do this? Maybe you're diversifying your portfolio or just prefer Uphold's interface. Whatever the reason, let's get started. Before we begin, ensure you have both a Kraken and Uphold account set up, with some BNB in your Kraken wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. It's 2025, after all, and crypto hacks are no joke. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select BNB from your asset list. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Next, click on Withdraw and choose BNB as the currency. Now, here's a crucial part. Enter your Uphold wallet address. You can find this by logging into Uphold, going to your BNB wallet, and copying the address. Make sure it's correct. One wrong digit could send your funds into the void. Step 2. Specify the amount of BNB you want to send. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. In 2025, BNB transactions typically use the BNB Smart Chain, so keep an eye on those gas fees. Once you've entered the amount, review the details carefully, then hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor code. After that, sit tight. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, log into Uphold and check your BNB balance to confirm the transfer. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps or websites, avoid public Wi-Fi for these transactions, and keep records of everything for tax purposes. If you run into any issues, both Kraken and Uphold have solid support teams. There you have it, folks. You've successfully sent BNB from Kraken to Uphold. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto guides. Stay safe out there and happy trading.